All right, so one common issue I've witnessed among all fishing areas is the large amount of fishing gear left behind as trash and litter. Most waste from fishing activity can actually be reused or recycled since it is plastic, such as line, lures, bobbers, or metal, such as hooks and weights. And so for my final project, I wanted to determine areas within Umstead State Park, the largest park in Raleigh, where public fishing is permitted, that are well suited for the installation of used or unwanted fishing gear collection stations. And these locations will be within a certain distance of park trails, water bodies, and facilities to ensure use, but will also be large enough to ensure enough space for installation. So the three analysis questions that I came up with are question one, identify areas that are within Umstead State Park that are within 200 feet of a stream and within 300 feet of a trail. Question two being identify areas that meet the previous criteria but are at least 500 feet from any park facilities such as buildings, campgrounds, and parking lots. And then question three will be what is the area of the largest polygon that meets all of the specified criteria? And so the data that I found to work with are state-owned lands, which is polygon data from which I will get the Umstead State Park boundary. Park facility lines, which is line data that represents the trails. Park facility polygons, which is polygon data that represents facilities like buildings, campgrounds, and parking lots. And then water quality ratings, which is line data representing hydrology, such as streams, lakes, ponds, and things like that. So if we look to the screen here, we have my ArcGIS online map showing my question one solution, which is there in red. And so basically the analysis process that I went through to find this solution was first to extract the boundary of the Umstead State Park polygon from the state-owned lands data. And then I clipped all the features such as trails, hydrology, and park facilities to the Umstead State Park boundary, since a lot of that data was either county-wide or city-wide or even statewide. Um, and so once I got those clipped within the boundary of Umstead State Park, I buffered the streams by 200 feet and I buffered the trails by 300 feet. Um, the clipped streams and the clipped trails, I buffered them, and then I intersected the two buffers to find the solution for question one, which is what you see in front of you on my online map. And so for question two, I think I'm gonna expect some of those polygons in the southern portion uh, of the state park right here to be selected because those are farther away from park facilities, which you actually don't see on the map now because they are not part of this online map. Um, but they will be a part of the map in part two of the final project. And then question three will be asking what the largest polygon out of those will be, and I think it will be the one in the southwest portion here, this larger, longer one. But we'll find out in a few weeks. Thank you for watching.